Hi guys, have you ever found yourself in a scenario whereby you want to purchase a computer and you want to do something and you're being told the properties of the computer and you can't confirm? Here is a simple method of confirming the properties of a computer, whereby you will be checking the CPU, the type of CPU, whether it's a Core or an AMD. You will be able to see the type of operating system installed, the RAM and everything that is. So the first method that we're going to use is you right click on this PC, then you go to properties. From there you'll be able to see everything. Here we have the Windows edition. We have Windows 10 Pro, which is installed in this computer of mine. The processor, the Intel Core i5 with a speed of 1.80 gigahertz, installed RAM 6 GB, system type 64-bit operating system, whether it's pen touch or not. Then this one is 6 GB, that is the RAM, of course. Then the computer name and domain, everything, every other thing else. So that will be a very simple method of checking the properties of a computer. You can check the hard disk capacity by adding the hard disks that are there in the this PC folder. From there, here you can also use it to check the properties of the computer, where you right click on this PC from this side, then you check the properties. The same happens, and you'll be in a good place from there. Thank you for watching this, and kindly subscribe, share for support. Thank you very much.